distinctive symbol of the Nova Corps, our intergalactic peacekeeping force. I find it fascinating how similar our two worlds truly are.
Xandar experiences periods of total sunlight, shifting to periods of total darkness. During a light cycle, our triple suns appear close together in the sky, creating spectacular sunsets and sunrises. The light casts moving shadows across the city, something Xandar is famous for. As the capital of the Nova Empire, Xandar is home to over 12 billion citizens. Constructed on a vast system of atolls, our city features a wide array of architectural styles, inspired by the many cultures and species who have traveled across the galaxy and call Xandar home.
As time passed, Xandar became a galactic hub for advanced technology and innovative urban planning. From the start, Xandarians embraced the design principles that promoted a symbiotic relationship between our natural world and its inhabitants.
New Xandarian technology was developed exclusively for this vehicle. Powerful energy bands allow the ships to link together and form their own force fields. The more star blasters that activate this feature, the stronger the force field becomes. With enough ships and our skilled Nova Corps pilots, the force field can become nearly impenetrable.
As all Nova work together to promote the common cause of galactic harmony, the differences in rank are noted subtly in the star insignia on our arms. One horizontal bar for foreman, a T for denarian, a cross for millennium, a half star for centurion like myself, and a full star for Nova Prime.
My plan. Thank you, Gamora.
I'm always happy because you told me to. I would love to hear more about how Terra was chosen for this Wonders of Xandar tour.
Well, that was totally my idea. And EPCOT, too, because I love that place. It's awesome. I went there as a kid, and I cannot wait to get to go back and ride Horizons. Also want to see the energy, dinosaurs, and, of course, hear the veggie fruit. It's the best.
Okay, well, I'm sure it will be wonderful for you to relive all of those memories again. And it's thanks to the Guardians that Xandar is reaching out to other cultures across the galaxy. Xandar would have never survived the pre-battle were it not for the intervention of this ragtag team we know as the Guardians of the Galaxy.
And now, please step forward into the Welcome Center, making room for everyone. Thank you.
Greetings, Terrans. I am Nova Prime Irani Rayan, Commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, a assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the Cosmic Generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
Welcome, people of EPCOT, EPCOTers, EPCOTians, citizens of EPCOT. Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? I'm on. Someone needs to tell me what I'm on. Welcome, EPCOT-tarians. I am Centurion Talmeric, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. As you're about to enter a secure Nova area, I must ask you to put away your Terran communication devices at this time. Recording of any type is strictly prohibited. I am very serious about this. Now, please step forward into the chamber. You're gonna love this. Okay, before we begin, I should warn you that we have never teleported Terrans before. But since your molecular structure is very similar to Xandarians, it should work. It'll work. So long as you are standing inside the lighted ring. You do not want to know what happened last time someone did not stand where I told them to, okay? Stand by for teleportation. Is everyone in? Here we go! You made it! I mean, of course you did. Nova Prime, they're ready.
Excellent. What you see before you is the Cosmic Generator. And in just a few moments, we'll be activating it so you can experience it for yourself. What's happening?
I'm not sure. Our power's out. And the Cosmic Generator is gone.
Superior Monarch, go to Code Red. Prepare the fleet. And call the Guardians. Now!
There is no cause for alarm. Turn off that alarm. I've got an important transmission coming in.
Hey, what's up, Nova Corps?
Our Cosmic Generator has been stolen.
What?
How?
What did we think of that? That thing's gotta be worth a fortune.
Iron Groot?
Good question.
Yeah, who do you think took it?
Perhaps that really big man outside your ship.
That is a big man. I need to alert Nova Prime.
I've been watching Terrans for eons.
That's not creepy at all.
This species has failed.
Wait, whoa, we didn't even know there was a test.
We started a Cosmic Generator. And he's creating a new jump point.
Jump point to where?
Not where. When?
It's some kind of mutant jump point.
It's going back to the dawn of time.
Long time, why?
To erase an error.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
Your time is over.
Wait, what do you mean? What do you mean it's so bad?
The jump point is closing.
Hey, no, you're not recording to follow that whatever it is until we get there.
We can't. Our power is down, and I've got to get these Terrans onto evacuation shuttles.
I got it. I reprogrammed the shuttles to follow through the jump point.
Wait, what?
Look, they're our only chance of keeping track of that whack job until we get the Cosmic Generator back. Piece of cake.
Wait! There's King. Where's this King?
The odds are impossible.
Yep.
but it's our only shot. Good luck.
Are you sure you can control it?
Come on, it's me. We got this.
We're all toast.
First it was cake, now there's toast. This plan is making me so hungry.
Terrence, listen up. You need to make your way to the evacuation shuttles now. We'll follow with the fleet if we get our power back. I mean, when we get our power back.
No, because this plan of the Guardians doesn't stand a chance.
What? It's still on? What did I just say? You need to tell me when I'm on. Are you Terrence still there? Everything is under control. We're rebooting our subsystems and we'll have the power back soon. We do hope you enjoyed your brief visit with us. Over and out. Could this day get any worse?
Okay, they're headed for the jump point. This plan is never gonna work. Rocket! Well? Okay, I've walked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Good luck! You're gonna need it.
Useless to follow me. What is that noise?
Noise? No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have we done?
I think we're jumping back.
We got the generator.
us. We have no room in our ship for these new guards.
Drax, it's an honorary title. They're not coming with us.
I see. It is meaningless. Well then welcome to the Guardians